Hello and good morning to all. Welcome to your computer class. Today we will discuss about an application through which we can work with OpenOffice ORG right in our mobile phones only. So now let's start. So here we are going to discuss about this simple application that is termed as ANDR OpenOffice. So it is an application which you might be able to see. This stands for ANDR, ANDR OpenOffice. Fine. In short, it is the Android version of OpenOffice ORG Writer. Fine. This application is an you can say Android version of OpenOffice ORG Writer. So I have installed this application previously in my device. So now what I will do, I will open the application and I will show you how we can work with this. So we have to double click on this. Once you will double click on this, as you all can easily see, let me erase this first. So here's a simple set of applications inside this. Let me show you all the apps one by one right now. So it carries many applications like it is having this text document, that is your OpenOffice ORG Writer. Then it is having this spreadsheet software. This is your like OpenOffice ORG Writer Calc. Then we have presentation software. It is similar to your OpenOffice ORG Impress. Then we have this drawing software, that is OpenOffice ORG Draw, formula for OpenOffice ORG Maths, and then there's a template theme also that we can use. So now one by one I will show you all these applications and their uses one by one. Fine, so just focus on the display and keep learning all these new things. So what you need to do is you have to install this application from the Play Store or the link which I will give you. Then right now, because we are just focusing on OpenOffice ORG Writer, fine. Right now we are just focusing on OpenOffice ORG Writer, and I have given you one homework or one you can say practical work that you have to do either by using PowerPoint, that is PPT software, or that you can also either do by using this OpenOffice ORG presentation one. Fine, so it depends on you. उसके लिए मैं तुम लोगों के साथ टॉपिक सभी कुछ दिनों में रिवील कर दूंगा अपनी नेक्स्ट क्लास में होपफुली, एंड देन यू कैन स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन द प्रैक्टिकल पार्ट ऑल्सो. But for now, you just have to work with OpenOffice ORG Writer, or in short we can call it as our text document application. So now I'll show you how we can open this application and how we can work with multiple tools which are available in this. So you have to double click on this icon. Fine, that is available over this side. It is text document one. Once when you will click on this, it will take a few seconds and then it will automatically launch the application. Fine, as you can see, this application is like most probably will be similar to your Windows application. Like if I do show you in this one, as you all are able to see, over this side and this side we have ruler bar. This is our working area. Then these lines are indicating our page margin also. Not only that, in the same window you can get the standard toolbar over this side, formatting toolbar over this side. So you just have to tap on these two buttons and then it will automatically activate the toolbars for you. Well, we also have some other features that you can easily activate by clicking on this icon. When you will click on this, you can easily get this dock view of menu. Fine. Here you will be able to see all the menu items that we have in our OpenOffice ORG Writer application. Fine. So like you can see, it has file menu which has options like new, open, recent document, wizard, close, save as. Then next we have edit menu which has features like cut, copy, paste, paste special, selection modes and other things. Then we have view menu. Fine. Then we have insert menu. So there are so many menus available. Fine. And writing with this application is one of the most easiest tasks for us right now. Like I'll show you how we can do. We have to double tap on this, or from this bottom section you can click on the keyboard icon. It will automatically launch the keyboard. Fine. Then here you have to simply start typing, like we are working with, like as you can see right now this window is a bit smaller window for me, so I can simply pinch zoom it to easily locate my text. So right now it is written that we are working with OpenOffice ORG Writer in my through my mobile. Sorry for that. Through my mobile. Fine. So you simply have to write like this. As you can see that I have written like this. I have written a simple sentence. Now suppose I have to beautify this. Beautification of the sentences in this application is the most easiest task. Like when we deal with our computer system, we have to double tap on that, we have to use the right or left clicks. But in the mobile application, things are a lot easier. You have to first of all simply double tap on the text. Fine. When you will double tap on it, the selection bar will appear. You can select as much portion as you want. When you will select the portion of text, it will show you the options like cut, copy and more options. Then you have to hard press on it for a while, then you will get these options over this side. Fine. By clicking on these options, for example, I want to change the font property, so I'll go to the font and I change my font style. Let's suppose I want to use any other font style. Fine. But the problem is because we are using only mobile phone for now, so in mobile phones you will not get all the font size. यहाँ पे कुछ font size कम होते हैं. इसमें हम लोगों को एरियल या टाइम्स न्यू रोमन नहीं मिलेगा. यहाँ पे हम लोगों को कुछ अलग अलग टाइप के फॉन्ट्स मिलेंगे. तो यहाँ पे मान लीजिए मैंने ये वाला फॉन्ट साइज मियाओ वाला फॉन्ट टाइप मैंने यहाँ पे यूज़ करा. तो एज यू कैन सी द मोमेंट व्हेन आई क्लिक ऑन दैट, ये फॉन्ट जो था हम लोग यहाँ पे चेंज हो गया. फाइन. We can also use the mouse controls. For using mouse control, we have to press on this mouse icon over this side, which will activate the alt, shift and control keys for you, the left and right mouse buttons also. Fine. Then this can be used as your page scroll bar. This section can be used as your page scroll bar. For turning of the mouse, you have to click on this. Now next I will show you the formatting toolbar. Well, for working with formatting toolbar, we have to click on this format button. And as you can see that over this side we have all our formatting toolbar options like font size, bold, italic, underline. Let's suppose I have to write this line in bold, so I have to select the piece of text. Sorry for that. Double tap on this. Double tap, select your text, then select the bold option. Fine. Then select the italics option, then select the underlined option. Suppose you want to write this in the center of the page or the justified format. Select your alignment also. Fine. So from this bottom formatting toolbar, you can select as much features as you want to apply in this, and all these features will be instantly applied. For example, I want to change the font size. I want to write with this 24 font size. As you can see, in just a click I got my font size. Fine. As you can see, in just a click I got all the features which I applied. Suppose I want to change my text color. I want to make the text as red in color or any other color. So I have to click on that feature. Color will be available to us. Pink by my favorite nahi hai. I like gray or black only. But for now I am using, let's say, red. Red kahan hai? Here red. Fine. As you can see, whichever part of text you have selected, that part got the properties which I have given. Fine. Suppose you want to fill something in the background, you have to select this background button. You have to select a color. बस देखो text के background में वो color आ गया हम लोगों का. Fine. So like this you can apply a lot of features with this application, and it's very easy. I would say that it's very easy to work with this application. Fine. So what you have to do in short, there are so many tools available over this side. We have standard toolbar, we have formatting toolbar over this side in this corner. Fine. You will get a proper toolbar. You will get a lot of menus over this side. You can use all these menus for your work as per your need or as per your requirement. So with this much, now here we end this class. Thank you students. Have a nice day and enjoy your class.